What's good? What's good? Washington Heights is your boy Cell, giving it to you live. Y'all can see the leaves right there, fell off the tree right there, off of this tree. Rain coming down, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Almost hit homeboy's car. Oh, it broke his mirror right there too. Wow, man. Look at all the leaves coming down right there, y'all can see. Man. The sewer backed up right there. You see all the water here. I think of the leaves right there blocking up the whole sidewalk. Wow. Good thing nobody got hurt. Oh, I guess it came off of this tree right here. Yep. My people, that's got nobody got hurt. Yeah. Y'all can see the branch broke up over there. See that? See them two right there? Good thing nobody got hurt. It's your boy Cell. Subscribe to the channel. SELT. I'm at Cell giving you another one. People, be careful. You're coming through Washington Terrace Park on 189. Make sure no leaves fall on you. And be careful when the wind is blowing, coming on this rainy day like this, man. Don't get hurt out there, my people. You already know. It's your boy Cell. Give me another one. Peace, love, and happiness. Stay safe, y'all. God bless.